I have a soft spot for my mom and my wife. Women who run a home, run a business, work in a business, do so many things. I think they're absolute miracle workers.
I think it's a fabulous idea. I don't think we can have enough events or activities or occasions to celebrate women from all various sectors, age, race, ethnicity. I think it's absolutely fabulous, and especially what I love about this particular event is that there is a component honoring young women.
I am so pleased to be here tonight at the second annual Jewels of Pasadena event. I was the MC last year as well, and there were a lot of people in the room, but there were not this many people in the room. This is quite remarkable.
Jewels of Pasadena Woman of the Year is Elsie Sadler.
How does it feel to be Women of the Year? Go ahead and speak loudly.
It's absolutely amazing and such a great, deep honor. I love the city and I love the people who make this a great city. And so to be singled out like this is just beautiful.
Whatever it takes to advance the work that women do, because in advancing the work that women do, we also advance families, we advance men, we advance children, because, you know, women, I mean, we're really, most times, the glue that keeps everything together.
Thank you for what you do for Pasadena.